Ever wondered why we get hiccups? Well, it's all about our diaphragm, that muscle responsible for helping us breathe. Sometimes, it gets irritated and starts to spasm. When this happens, air rushes into our lungs, causing the vocal cords to close abruptly, creating that annoying hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by various things like eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, or even excitement. But don't worry, they usually go away on their own. So next time you're hiccuping, just take a deep breath and relax.